Ladies and gentlemen, the price of Notcoin is up by about 8.8%. So, in today's episode, we are going to be deciphering Notcoin because I really believe Notcoin is one of those tone coins that are going to make you a millionaire. So, if you are looking for tone blockchain ecosystem cryptocurrency projects that are really going to help you make a lot of money, best believe Notcoin should be on your top list. Now, Notcoin has been going down for the past couple of months, and we have obviously seen a dramatic drop in terms of the price action. But the main question remains, is this the bottom? Because as you can see right over here, right, if you take a look at the statistics and the numbers, we can see that we had an all-time high of about 0.028%, close to about 3 cents about 4 months ago, and the price has dropped by about 71%. So right now, the all-time low, or rather, the recent price actions have been very, very depressing to a lot of people because a lot of people lost money because, as you can see, the current price and the previous all-time high is a very huge price discrepancy. So now the question that a lot of you are asking is, should you go back in with regards to Notcoin? So this is one of the reasons why we're going to be looking at the technical analysis, because I really believe we are almost bottoming. We are close to the bottom. If we haven't bottomed, then we are pretty close to the bottom, because I really like this trading action that we are seeing. As you can see, I really love breaking down the time frames. So this is the 3-day time frame, and on the 3-day time frame you can clearly see that the selling pressure is coming to an end. There is actually a doji right over here. If you guys know anything about trading candlestick patterns, a doji, especially when it comes to a prevailing trend, really signifies a reversal. So in order for you to make money investing in cryptocurrencies, you're supposed to figure out when a trend is coming to an end. So as you can see right over here, we obviously had a blatant downtrend, and this is one of the reasons why a lot of you guys actually lost a lot of money, which is very unfortunate. Okay, so we obviously had a very significant downtrend. So in order for you to make money, right, you can't be shorting at these particular lows. You can't really be shorting the markets as low as they are right now. So this is one of the reasons why you have to figure out when the next trend is going to be coming. So when are we going to be having a reversal towards the upside or towards the next resistance area? Okay, if you figure that out, then you're obviously guaranteed to make a whole lot of money. So one of the things that I would like to highlight for you guys is obviously the resistance that we have right over here, or the support. If you take a look at these several number of times that the price dropped to this level. Okay, so let me just make this bigger for you guys. Let me get rid of that and let me zoom in. Okay, so a number of times the price of Notcoin dropped as low as 0.006. So that's like 6/10 of a cent, if I can put it that way. Okay, so this is the price where we found a lot of support, and it is very clear for us to identify that there's a lot of buying pressure here. There's a lot of institutional money, smart money, whatever you guys are going to categorize whoever is buying this level. There's a lot of interest right over here. So why do we have interest in this level? And due to the fact that you guys understand that at this particular price level, there's a lot of buying power. So it really means the closer we are to this level, the safer our investments are. Okay, so first of all, we have to understand that there is a probability that the price could go back to this level and take out a lot of stop losses that are here, because a lot of people have been sort of putting their stop losses, and this is a very safe zone. So there's a lot of liquidity right over here in case market makers decide to sort of break this particular level and weak it all the way up. Honestly, if that were to happen, that would be a very good opportunity, due to the fact that it's just going to show a deviation, which is a standard and common sort of reversal pattern. Okay, so usually market makers love grabbing a lot of liquidity because they understand how a lot of regular traders work. But one thing that I have to highlight to you guys is, we have had a lot of times and moments where we had to sort of drop to this particular level on several occasions, and this is not a very uh, small time frame, because I'm talking about 72 trading hour volume data. So this is a very significant time frame. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe we are pretty close to the bottom. Okay, and if you take a look at smaller time frames, right, let's go to the extreme small time frames, such as the 1 hour, because we're seeing a lot of bottoming patterns. For example, recently in the past few hours, we saw the price of Notcoin for the first time in a long period of time start going above the 100 simple moving average. So basically, the red line and the blue line are just basically simple moving averages that are aggregated over a certain period of time. So as you can see, we are beginning to create an up movement type of trajectory. Okay, so based on this particular data, right, we obviously pushed up and then we fell, and now we're beginning to push and grind our way up, which is a very good solid confirmation, because we're seeing a lot of buying power coming through, and we pushed up, we got rejected, and came back to the base of the beginning of the reversal, and now we're starting to grind our way up. So these to me are two different points in our trading period that really shows high demand as far as Notcoin is concerned. So we've got point 1 and point 2 right over here. So the price did retest the bottom twice, and there's a lot of buying power, there's a lot of buying interest, there's a lot of people who are invested in this particular cryptocurrency, and they do not want the price to go below 0.006, like 0.6 of a cent, which is absolutely amazing for us, because we understand where the smart money is. So when we understand where the smart money is, all we got to do is be close to them as much as we can, because they are going to sort of define the bottom. So remember, it's very difficult for you to find or catch the bottom. However, you can get as close to the bottom as you can, due to the fact that you've got predetermined levels, aka these levels where the prices sort of bounced and had a huge reversal. So once you get to identify those areas, then you can plan your trades. Okay, so one thing that I can tell you for a fact is the price could potentially come back to this level, 0.075. Okay, 0.7 of a cent would be a very good buying opportunity for you. So let me even highlight it so that you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So this level, this is a POC. As you can see, there's a lot of trading volume. There's a lot of contracts being traded at this particular level. So if you see these contracts being traded at this particular level, right, there's a higher probability of the price coming back to this level. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why you just have to be very patient, be calm and collected, and wait for the price to come back to this level, 0.07592. Okay, so let me even just write that down for you guys so that you can get to see it clearly. So if I were you, I would look for an entry at 0.007592. Okay, this is equivalent to this level right over here. If you find an entry which is going to be lower than 0.007592, that is going to be a very good buying opportunity. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be very patient. You have to figure out what's happening. And if I were you, this would be the price that I would be looking for. So if the price goes below this particular level, 0.007592, then you guys can really go heavy in Notcoin. And remember what we spoke about, right? Dollar cost average. So let's say, for example, you've got about $1,000 that you want to trade with, right? Go in 4 parts. Invest 250 in one take. Then when the price goes down, invest another 250, like that. So dollar cost average entry, and look out for this level. So once the price goes below 0.07592, if the price will come back to this level, then you guys are obviously going to be at a very good advantage because they're going to do better than the people who sort of are beginning to form more in around this particular level. So right now we are gearing to come back to this level. Okay, so the reason why I'm picking this level is because there's a lot of buying interest right over here, and this is where the price is most likely to find support. So what usually happens is when the price is beginning to sort of have a reversal, right, the support is going to become higher and higher. You're going to be producing higher highs and lower lows. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why, as you can see right over here, we had the end of this particular downtrend and we reversed. There was a low there and we pushed up, and there was another higher low right over here. And if we push up, the other next low is going to be like slightly higher or close to this particular level right over here. So this is all I had for you. I don't really want to make this technical analysis as far as Notcoin is concerned extremely long, because I know you guys, you've got a very short attention span because of social media and your dopamine releases, so you guys can't really get to watch a lot of information. You need to be sort of spoon fed. So that's all I had for you. So remember, if you're looking for blockchain ecosystem coins, or rather Tone coins, Tone meme coins, Tone coin meme coins that are really going to help you make a whole lot of money, obviously Notcoin is one of the best, because as you can see, the market cap is only 842 million US dollars with a fully diluted market cap valuation of 842 million US dollars, which really is undervalued in comparison to cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin. Okay, so if you take a look at Dogecoin, the market cap of Dogecoin in comparison to Notcoin is a lot. This is about 16 billion US dollars. So basically, if Notcoin had to grow as high as Dogecoin, which can happen in a short period of time, and take a look at the maximum supply of Dogecoin. Dogecoin has got an infinite maximum supply as well. Okay, so initially I was very skeptical about the maximum supply factor right over here, because it has got infinite maximum supply, but it really seems that it's pretty common in cryptocurrencies. Ethereum also has an infinite maximum supply, which is absolutely ridiculous and dangerous, but coins still end up pumping. So if you take a look at Dogecoin, right, it also has an infinite maximum supply, which is absolutely crazy. So if you take a look at the market cap of Dogecoin, which is about 16 billion, Notcoin can actually do a 10x, close to a 10x. If it does a 10x, it's gonna be at 8 billion. If it does another twice that, if it does a 9x, if Notcoin does a 9x, it's gonna be at the market cap of Dogecoin, which is absolutely possible, because Dogecoin is just a meme coin. That's it. Notcoin has got a product. It has got the app. There's a tap to earn etc mechanism behind it. So I really believe, from a realistic perspective, Notcoin has got the capability of Dogecoin, and if that happens, you guys are literally going to make a 10x and more, which is absolutely possible. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe when it comes to Tone coins, coin meme coins that can really make you a whole lot of money, Notcoin is definitely one of them. So yeah, check it out. And of course, everything that I talked about in today's episode is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. And you have to understand that investing in cryptocurrencies is extremely risky. With that said, if you did find this information quite useful, please smash up the like button. Drop me a comment in the comment section below. Do you think the price of Notcoin has ended up bottoming, or do you perhaps think that the price of Notcoin is going to continue going lower and lower and lower until people just sort of give up? So please let me know in the comment section below. What do you think about Notcoin? Do you think it is a good hold in order for people to make a lot of money in the 2025 Bitcoin bull cycle? So please let me know in the comment section below. Take care and God bless you.